say we have the third season of It Takes Guts to be a Gutierrez, and that's going to be shown the summer of this year. And meron akong projects lined up. Well, aside from my app, that for everyone that's digital savvy, I now have my app. It'll be launched sometime next week. Actually, it's already available on Android. I Love Rufa G. And for iPhone users, it's going to be available next week. And also, I'm very busy because in March, I'm going to be launching Lovapalooza. I'm going to say it na. Lovapalooza, my second time to collaborate with Rahul Laurel because I did the Love Collection Part 1 2 years ago. So it was a collaboration of children's line of clothing. Siyempre may press con din ako for that, no? Invited din kayong lahat for that. But I'm just giving a teaser. It's gonna be in March because it was sold out. So gagawin namin ulit yun in March. And this time we're adding the tweens kasi Lorene and Venice are not kids anymore. They're tweens now. So gagawin namin yun with boys, baby boys. So even Zion can come up with a cute outfit. So syempre kailangan nowadays ito Mario. Hindi naman tayo... And Aria, of course. So meron akong children's line collaboration with Rahul Laurel. And I'm also coming up with a book in June. Surprise pa yun.
Ano yun? Memoir?
Secret! May bagong press ko din tayo for that. Ito Mario. So, I think for me now, what's really important is we're not getting any younger. We have to source different things outside from the regular taping, regular movies, regular things that we do. And kailangan mag-outsource din tayo ng mga ways na paano tayo kumita outside the industry. And I think with It Takes Guts to be a Gutierrez all over Asia, it's opened a lot of opportunities for me. And I want to use it to my advantage.
Anong masasabi mo na lumalay-lay daw yung show pag hindi kayo nag-aaway ng mami mo? So dapat nag-aaway.
Nako, kailangan ba talaga magsabunutan kami? You know, I mean, it's very nice to say...
Kasi ang mami mo tsaka si Jordan Muyale. So wala nang issue.
Oo, binigyan na siya ng Givenchy na tie nung Pasko. So feeling ko, okay, pati na sila. No, but I think what's really nice about our show is, you know, you have to be careful also kasi hindi kami US family. We're an Asian family and the Asians have strong family values. Hindi mo kami pwedeng lagi mag-away ng mami ko. Baka sabihin, ano itong mga Pilipinong pamilyang ito? Napaka-immoral, away ng away. Eh, ang biggest market natin are the other Asian countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and they're very conservative. Buti nga tayo mga Pilipino, we're very open-minded and we're expressive. Pero yung iba, bawal nga magsuot ng malalim, Tito Mario. Binablur nila pag may cleavage. So, we also have to think of them kasi yun yung pinakamalaking market ng E.
So, you have to be more careful.
Oo naman, you know.
Iba yung market kaysa sa...
Oo, tsaka hindi mo kami pwede mag-invent na sa awahin ko na lang lagi si Mommy. Si Mommy has toned down a bit eh. Pero season 3 will be much more exciting.
So how do you feel meron pa lang kapatid ka na bago sa dati?
Naku, hindi confirmed ah. Nakakaloka, na-stress ako. Madaling araw, kasi bakit I have so many missed calls? Sabi ko, that's weird. My mom is usually asleep pag 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, tulog na siya. Ewan ko, para akong witch sometimes na pag nagigising na lang ako out of the blue and parang kinakabahan ka, pagtingin ko sa phone ko, 5 missed calls. Ay, emergency siguro to. So when I called my mom, Day, naku, may stalker ako sa gate. Naku, gusto umakyat ng bahay, nagtapon ng 3 bag. And this was the height of the whole Paris terror that happened. So sabi ko, ano yun? So talaga nakakatakot talaga. And you know, grabe yung White Plains na CCTV, ang galing nila. As in, thank God, umaanda ng CCTV nila. Kasi nakita talaga nila kung saan nagpunta yung mama. Na tinapon lahat ng bag, wala namang bomba or anything, pero puro ID niya mga damit. Eh yun nga, nung hinuli siya ng mga barangay tanod, anak daw siya ni Daddy. Ang nakakaloka, my dad and his alalay, nagbibilang talaga. Talaga meron siyang naging girlfriend 25 years ago. Ay, nakakaloka. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? And then binibigyan pa ni Mami ng pera kasi baka akala, walang pera, kailangan ng pera. Tinarayan pa si Mami. No, I don't need that. I'm rich. I can afford. Ay. So, hindi ko na alam. But for me, feeling ko stalker lang siya.
So the guy is not really related to your family at all?
I don't think so. Marami na rin mga weird ngayon. Dito Mario. You have to be careful. hope he doesn't read it. But I hope he doesn't read people's journal. Baka bumalik naman siya sa white place,
Baka iba
no?
naman ang itapon
Diyos
niya.
ko. Nahuli siya pag umakyat ng pader.
Mala Spider-Man.
Anyway,
pala.
congratulations, and I'm sure this will
Thank
be a
you.
big hit with you endorsing.
Thank you.
Ako, Rupa, marami na-excite sa sinabi ng taong mayaman. Baka mag-apply silang publicist, magpa-press ko. Siyempre, ang isa pang,
Pa-DNA test na natin.
may isa pang exciting na nakalimutan mo, Rupa, sa Mars. Of course, magre-renew tayo sa...
Yes! I'm renewing with my Cosmo Skin family in March. Ako, ibang press con na naman yun. You guys are so, lucky to have so many press cons all the time.
Yeah, Tapos, siyempre marami rin ang